Green Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry, with support from
a longtime horticulturist. McPhee has been planting landscapes since 1972 and has been a California licensed contractor since 1982. His career launched in the green industry as a New York teenager mowing lawns in his hometown of Massapequa on Long Island. After graduating from SUNY Farmingdale in 1974 with a degree in ornamental horticulture, he has soon moved to sunny California. McPhee is Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Park West, one of the largest landscape construction firms in the United States. Marty McPhee.